Welcome to this Learn with Lynn at Bowray Design. This is how to use London's Santander cycles.
So, hiring a bike is a great way to see London. These Santander cycles are all over the city, so you can pick up a bike and then drop it off in another location. It's £2 for 24 hours, and you just download the Santander app, and then when you get to the bike, you type in the code that you're given from the app, and then you're free to go away and cycle and explore the great city of London.
So once you have downloaded the Santander Cycles app, you can input your details and your payment info, and then it allows you to access the map of London. As you can see here, you can see it as a map form, but you can also scroll up and see it as a list form. It shows you at the side and underneath the name the amount of cycles that are available, as well as the spaces available if you want to drop your bike off. Once you're at the location, you just hit the Hire Now button, and from there it will give you a code that you type into any bike that you wish to choose in that location, and then you can take that bike. It allows you to stop off, go visit sites in London, pick a bike back up. So you can plan your route around London to see all the sites you wish to see by hopping on and hopping off, but using a bike.
You can adjust your seat to the right height for you, and you do that while it's in the stand, so it's easy to do. And then it tells you here back brake, you've got a little bell here, and it tells you front brake, which is great. Also tells you caution, watch out for left turning vehicles, and do not leave your bike unattended, because obviously if you lose it then you will be liable. So you just type in your code on here, which I'm just about to go and do just now. 33221. And then when it's green, you can take your bike. Let's go! So you just pull your bike out. There's a bit here if you want to strap in a bag to keep it nice and secure. And then you are free to go and cycle the great city of London. Stopped off, we've got the bikes. We just thought we'd stop and get a couple of selfies, which we've just done. And from the fountain, isn't it? It's beautiful. I'll say right this way. National Gallery. It's just lovely. And head to Buckingham Palace, 10 Downing Street and Hyde Park.
We had both been to London before, so we took in the main sites of London. So this is Buckingham Palace. We're cycling on the main road here, but as you venture further away, there is also this cycle path which took us along the side of Green Park on our way to Hyde Park to see Princess Diana's memorial. So there are many ways to plan your journey and take in what you wish to see. We looked at the map and worked out where we wanted to stop and where we wanted to take in, and you can do exactly the same thing. These are just the places that we put on our list to go and see. The cycle paths are also not just on the roads, but also through the parks as well. There's a section for you to cycle. There is no way that we would have managed to cover as much ground in between the places we wanted to go had we not used the cycles.
It also has 3 gears, which allows you to cycle quite easily on the first gear, but also when you build up a bit of speed, it allows you to conserve your energy, which is definitely needed in the streets of London. You just turn the gears using this little grippy bit here, and it turns it, you shouldn't really do it when we're stopped, but it turns it there and it turns it to the different gear that you want. You can do it with your thumb and your finger like this when you're cycling.
Not only did we cover more ground using the bicycles, but it also conserved our energy, because walking the same distance would have been a lot more exhausting than it was on the bikes.
When you return your bike, you pop it into the docking station, but make sure that the green light goes on, and in that way you have returned the bike to the docking station and you can finish your lovely cycling trip of London.
I hope you've enjoyed this Learn with Lynn episode of the Santander Cycles. If you found it interesting or very useful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button as well. But if you wish to see more of where we visited and travelled through in London, you will find these vlogs on my channel, Life with Lynn, but I've also tagged the first one on here. Thank you so much for watching.